This short video will demonstrate how a process is created in Elma from the beginning to the end. First of all, you can see the list of all the processes stored in one place. Now I will create a procurement process and select its participants. This is going to be a simple business process, just to illustrate the idea. Now you can see how the modeling is done in Elma Designer. To create a process model, I am going to drag and drop elements in the visual editor. I can also configure the elements. Name the first task, for example. BPMN notation makes the diagram easy to read. The process starts with a green start event and follows a certain logic. A user fills out the request form, the manager can either approve or reject it, then it is handed over to the procurement department, and so on. All the process activities are connected with arrows. They show the order in which operations are performed. The red end event shows where the process finishes. Every process in Elma is executable. It means that you can run it in Elma web application. Consequently, each of the tasks you can see on the model will have a page in the web application. Users will be able to look through the task form, fill in some fields, and perform any other actions necessary to complete the task. The process model is complete. Now it's time to add the data the process needs in order to operate. You can easily create variables and users will fill them in with values. These variables will carry important information throughout the process, making it possible for the users to complete their tasks. Now I'm going to add these variables to the task forms. To do this, I will open a task, place variables on the form, and select which of them are going to be required. Basically, that's it. All I need to do now to have an executable business process is publish it. When you publish a process, the process model is checked for errors. If there are any errors, you have to correct them. After that, you can start the process in the web application. You can see that the form of the first task was generated automatically, and it displays all the variables I had added earlier. I can fill in the fields on this form to complete the task. Now, the important thing is that in Elma, business processes are flexible. I can adjust a process at any moment. For instance, I can go to the form builder and configure the task form. I can arrange the fields into columns, remove elements I don't need, and so on. Then I publish the process, and it starts using the new logic. It is possible to not only edit a form, but to change any aspect of a business process, such as its context, scripts, or the model itself.